Good morning, folks. How's it going? The market has started selling off and we have reached our target pricing for our short positions. Yes, while everybody was getting excited towards the end of last week and going long and getting in on leverage, we got short and we came out on top this time. We saw it coming because we saw that there was too much liquidation risk stacked up in the market. So look at this. Currently, I've actually just closed out 75% of this position. You can see trade history. That went through just a couple of minutes ago there, and we closed that out. 0.15 BTC closed out for plus $763. We've still got 25% of the trade in worth about $250. But look at this. We came in in fact, let me show you the liquidations first of all, right? $250 million worth of long side liquidations over the last 24 hours or so. That is, of course, people who have got long with money that they don't have, borrowed from the exchange, and then been forced out of those positions. The exchange sells that Bitcoin onto the market, resulting in a sudden dump of supply on the market. Supply and demand dynamics dictate that the price must go down when that happens and come down rapidly. Now, we know $250 million worth of long liquidations isn't a huge amount in the context of the last 6 months, but it is quite hefty over in the context of the last 2 to 1 months or so. As things get a bit thinner, as there's less liquidity overall, that small amount of liquidation risk has a result on the market. Now, it's good that that is getting smaller and smaller. It means there's less people punting on the market either way on leverage, which means we're getting closer to a place, in my opinion, where this could turn around long term, but still influencing price. So $250 million worth of long positions over the last 24 hours. This played out almost to the dollar how we saw it happening, right? I told you in the last couple of videos, we were targeting a mean reversion to the point of control. That is the area of highest volume if we draw in a fixed range volume profile from the lows from the 6th of February to the highs that we put in a few days ago on the 4th of March. And look at that. We literally came down to brush 67,373, which is almost perfectly to where we were. I think we were literally a couple of dollars above that. Look, 67,416. So we have taken $750 out of this trade in profit. Not a massive trade, not a particularly high risk trade, at least in terms of how much capital allocated to that. And that is with good reason. I'm not putting a lot of capital into short-term trading like this. I am currently looking to stack up spot Bitcoin holdings, but this has done what it was supposed to do. I am going to leave that 25% in there just to see if we can get a little bit further, a little bit deeper into liquidity down here, maybe looking at the next lows here at 66.2 and down here at 64.8. But for now, most of the risk is off the table. $750 up, very happy with that trade. And yeah, that's not to say I think from this point the market just bounces and goes up only, but at least in terms of what I think is makes sense from a risk perspective, I've captured what I wanted to from that trade. But there we go. As always, purely entertainment, just my opinion shared for entertainment purposes, not financial advice. Thank you so much for watching. Plenty more to come. Catch you the next one. Bye.